Hello guys, this graph here and this graph here explains why your earnings from either your websites, your blogs, or even your YouTube channel is low in January going into February and March. So in this video, I'm going to show you and give you an explanation as to why you are receiving or you are seeing less earnings from your content right now. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video. Alright, let's get into it. So these two tables that I'm showing you display what we call ad revenue index, and you can see it here. So if you go to any browser and search for ad revenue index and search, on top of the list you can see we have one from Ezoic. You can go ahead and open it, and also we have one from Optad 360. I'll also go ahead and open it. Now you are told that ad revenue index is a free tool that allows anyone to see website rates trends across the globe, and this applies to both websites and mobile apps programmatic advertising revenue. So this will give you details on daily trends, and this is available for free. Now if you go here, you can see how the market is performing in terms of what advertisers are paying for their advertisement. So using these two, we can see this is Ezoic. You'll realize that going towards December, that's when we had the highest index, and this index runs from 1, which is the lowest, to 100. We are told the index dynamic reports ad rate changes as numbers between 1 to 100. When the numbers move up or down, observing multiple dates or data range, this represents directional percentage improvement or decline in the rates paid out to digital publishers as a result of advertisers' competition, bidding, and market demand for digital display forms of advertising. And this does not only apply for websites, it also applies to platforms such as YouTube. So for instance, Optad 360, you can see if we go towards December, it went to a high of even 69, and if I move further, you can see even the previous dates. However, when we came to January, you can see it started to decline, which means advertisers are not carrying more campaigns as they did in January. And you can see here it went as low as even 43, and it is steadily now increasing as time goes by. And currently you can see as of January, this is 26. This was the index. If I go to this, you can see it also gives a different analysis. You can see as low as 33, and going towards 27th, you can see it is at 42. So this might vary from one advertising network to another. Depending on your advertising network you are using, you should be able to gauge the current market rates. So the reason why these are low is because some of the companies are yet to start their campaigns, or they are spending low because of this is a low buying season, and others are now in the process of setting up budgets for advertisement for the new year. So as time goes by, many advertisers will be spending more and more, and therefore the competition will increase, and this will also result in more earnings to publishers. So if you own a blog, you are a YouTuber, or even you earn through social media such as Facebook or even X, and you are seeing low earnings right now, it's because of revenue index across the world. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.